If you want to do something big, then choose your own path. Difference not like goats, walk like lions. No matter how hard the way. In any case, go ahead. This world will scold you, will harass you, will make you cry. Every day there will be a new look. But the day you will reach your destination, then this world, chanting your name, will come back. Cross the biggest obstacle, through socialism. Attack your inner weakness to the fullest. Small steps go every single challenge. Prepare yourself like this. If you want to gain something, you have to lose something. Have to laugh, then have to cry. If you want to shine like gold, then you have to burn yourself in the fire. If you want to change your life, then first of all, gotta change myself. Forget who you are. Just remember one thing. First is your work. Keep everything else after that. Your old habits will fall under you. In exchange for a little mistake, will rob you of everything. But you don't get caught in the water. Your attention is only and only to aim for your goal. Your goal is to improve yourself and set an example for the world. Don't work yourself with anyone's solution. You have something in you too. If you have the passion to do something, if you take it, nothing is impossible. Let the clouds that are there arise and move forward. Without getting tired, without stopping. Just keep walking. Do I have even the slightest doubt? Success is your right.